All right, so we are going to be doing a fidget unboxing or unbucketing, whichever. This bucket I got, it has 96 pieces. My daughter's really big into fidgets. I've never really played with them before, but she wanted to start doing some videos, and she told me to get my own fidgets. So with my adult money, I went ahead and I bought this big bucket. As you can see, I broke a nail trying to get it open before. So let's see what is in this. I can drop the link to Amazon, so that way you can go ahead and check it out for yourself if you like anything that you see. Also, if you have any suggestions for any fidgets, like I've never played with slime before. So I think that may be something that's next. So we have a unicorn poppet. Okay. Oh, I like that side. Okay, I kind of see why this is quite enjoyable. I do like that it's purple. And we got an ice cream one. So I think on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm gonna give the poppets a 10. That is very satisfying. It's very, very quiet on the one side. This one has letters on it. It's a little hard to see, but there are letters. Okay, one side is definitely louder than the other. I do like the colors. I love the ice cream shape. And then we also got a T-Rex. Dinosaurs are so cute. Okay. This one's a little bit more flimsy. But still fun. Okay. Oh, what are these? Why did I get so many of them? Like, do I need to give some of these away? Okay. I can't tell if there's going to be more in here, but we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to leave a lot of those right there in the packaging. Maybe do some trades. Oh, I thought this was going to be, like the ones that you squeeze and they make that noise. Okay. Oh, and that one went. Okay, that one has landed somewhere in the corner of the room. All right, that one's kind of cute if you like to throw things at people. Very stretchy. Kind of like flinging rubber bands. It's not really something I can fidget with, though. That's more of a annoy someone, which is okay. I'm gonna give this a 7 out of 10. Oh, I see another poppet. What is this, a bracelet? Like a watch? I guess I'll need some fidget organization too, since this is my first pack of fidgets. Okay, it's loud on one side. I do tend to have very small wrists, so sometimes it's hard for me to find things that'll stay on. Yeah, like say, um, can't really pop it when it's on. Yeah, I'm gonna say this one's a no for me. I don't know. I would give this a 4. 4 out of 10, right? Okay, what is this? Like a fidget spinner? Oh no. I need maximum cuttage. Here we go. Let's just break right into it. Okay. Ooh, these ones. This is very, very hard plastic. It's hard for me to even pop it down. Okay. I do like that. I like that it snaps. Oh, but it does not spin that long. I mean, if I wanted to sit around and pop and spin, I really like the poppers on this. This one is, I guess I could just sit here and, I'll give this one a 7.5 out of 10. What do you think? What are your favorite fidget toys? Oh, it's a stress ball. Okay. It's not too bad, not too bad. Nice, cute little globe. This would be very cute for a desk. You could just leave it on there. It's a firm squish. Very firm. I don't think, I don't think these are going to be fidgets. Hold up. I don't know. Tell me. Are these fidgets or are these just toys? I feel like they just wanted to fill a bucket. Do they? Oh, okay. They are a drive. Oh, I'm losing them. I'm losing them. Okay. I do actually like that a lot. That can keep me entertained actually at a desk for a while. You pull it back, and then it just goes forward on its own. And if you're really into airplanes, I mean, you got 5 of them. So that's a cute little collection. Let's, what do you think? Yay or nay? Yeah, I'm going to give these an 8, just because I do like this style of toy. But I don't really know. I wouldn't necessarily call it a fidget. Let's see what's next in the bucket. A football squeezy. Okay. Oh, this one's not as firm as the globe. I like that. It has a little bit of like a squishy feeling, like a memory foam. Like it takes a second for it to reinflate. I like that. All right. What is this? It's a marble mesh type thing. You know what? It's not so bad. It's not so bad. Not really my thing. I personally would give this a 5 out of 10. I'm back and forth on it. Maybe if there was a couple different sized ones in here that you could like move around. That just went across the room. I don't know what this is. Hold up. There's so much stuff in here. Oh, look. Now I do love pink. Pink is my absolute favorite color. So I will like this one just because it's bright, and it's pink. Okay, but here we have some kind of like, I don't know what this is. Like, almost looks like a shuttlecock, like a birdie. Oh, okay. Kind of see it as a fidgety thing, but not. I don't know. This is like something that my daughter would probably like this sitting on her desk, just lining them up. And there were 5. Like, for me, this is a 4. And again, this is my first real run at fidgets, so I don't know. Like, is this normal? Okay, I see. Let me just see if there's any more. Oh, there was another marble meshy blue. There's probably 2 more because it seems like they give you 5. Yep, I found a green one. There's probably another one in here too. All right, let's open up. I'm gonna open up the purple one. I think some of my duplicates I'm gonna leave in the wrapping for some trading. Oh, okay. What is? Okay, so there's a happy face, a sad face, a mad face, and a happy face. And this just spins. Oh, it's a... Duh. Okay. You know what? This one has a better spin on it than this one. Um, let's try the poppers. Bum bum bum. Maximum poppage. Okay. I do think that this is cute. I do like, I thought it was going to be one of those octopus things where like you can, push the head in. But that's okay. I like that. What would you rate this? I'm going to give this a solid 8. 8 out of 10. What is this? Ha! Ooh, this, I feel like it's going to build up my forearms. You can see my muscle moving right there. Okay. Can I get it to stick? Nope. You know what? I could see this at my desk. Kind of like a stress ball, but it makes an obnoxious noise. It's like clicking your pen. I do that all day. All right, all right. Not too bad. I always thought that these were a little bigger, maybe. But you know what? Smaller means it fits in my hands, because my hands are smaller to begin with. Oh, what is this? Okay, it's pretty. I love the blue, love the pink. I am obsessed with pink. Okay, this is an infinity cube. Oops, just throwing it around. Okay. Who here loves infinity cubes? Drop it in the comments. Do they come apart? No. Okay. Okay, I like that because it's just never ending, right? Like that song. This is the song that never ends. All right. Solid 8. What is this? This, I don't know what. Was it supposed to squeeze? Is it? Okay, it's bouncy. No, don't go off. Don't go. It's very soft, like there's air in it. But I don't know what it is. Is it a popper? I mean, that's kind of fun. I'm gonna give this a 7.5. Sometimes I do like to sit at the desk and throw a ball against the wall and catch it. A little bit of handball. I think this will actually work good. Just kind of grabbing some of the big ones because I know the little toys, like there's going to be a lot of duplicates in there. This bucket was, I believe, $49 on Amazon. I'm not sure how I feel about that. Because I feel like some of the toys were not really big. I can't really push these in. Oh, wait. Oh, that's hard. That one's not so hard. Okay. A little puzzle ball. This I don't think I would play with too much. My nails. I again broke that nail. Trying to open up my bucket. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this. I feel like it's kind of loud and clunky, and I do love puzzles. I love puzzle things, but for just kind of fidgeting, like maybe if these rolled a little bit more, if they went smooth. Nah, this is a 6. 6 out of 10. All right, let's see. I got some bracelets, it looks like. I'm sure there's 5. All right. 1, 2, 3. I didn't realize there was going to be so many duplicates. Okay. I see a zipper. I do love zippers. I could zipper all day. However, we're going to see if I can get this on. Is it going to zipper up like if you have arm hair? Because that would kind of not be nice. Almost. I'm definitely not going to be able to get this off. Okay. Maybe not. I mean, if you pull it out and you just kind of, you know what? I would fidget with this. If I, ow, no, it does definitely catch your arm hairs. Be careful. I don't know. Maybe putting it on like a notebook or something, or I don't know. I feel like this is gonna hurt more than it's gonna be worth it to play with. Now, unless maybe, hold up. Maybe if you make a necklace and you just want to play with a zipper part on it, I would make sure that they're all zippered before putting it on. Maybe if you wanted a cute little necklace. I think that adding that other one would be a bit much, but you could, if it doesn't bother you, you could make a necklace out of 4 and have a bracelet as a 5th. And then have a bunch of little fidgety zips. All right. I'll give this one, what do you think? I'll give this a 7. I don't hate it. I just like my arm hair intact. Oh, wait, and there's more. Um, all right, a big fidget spinner. I mean, not as good as like the metal ones, right? That just go on forever, but not horrible. Um, Spinning. I could play with these all day. This is like this is one of my favorite things. These I have played with before because they were really just all over the place. Every gas station. Just spinning. Do you have a favorite spinner? Oh, oh, I see some tiny fidget spinners. Hold up. What are these? Are they gonna spin good? I'm digging through. I'm sure there's more. That can't be because, yep. I don't know why. Oh, here's another. 1, 2, 3, 4. They seem to go with 5. Yep, here we go. Okay. So, these are tiny. Tiny, tiny, tiny. But, let's see. Okay. These definitely don't last as much as the big ones. But if you just want to sit around and just kind of maybe we'll try one that has more points. Okay, it's small. See, I like that it's tiny. I would so have one of these in my pocket. Um, but I don't like it's not ball bearing. I can see the little spinner. Um, I'm gonna give these a 6. 6 out of 10. They're cute, yes, very very cute. But they don't spin. They don't stay spinny. Let's open up this one and see if this is a solid spinny spinner. If I can get the plastic off. No. Really? All right, I think I'm going to have to buy a really good fidget spinner. If you guys have one that you would suggest, leave it in the comments. Let me know. Doesn't have to be a pop-it one. I want one that you can like do that and it'll just go on for days. This is not very smooth. It's very lightweight plastic. Still not bad. It's not bad. Okay, let's just get these babies out. I don't have any idea what these are. Is there any more? Is there any more fuzzy noodle thingies? Okay, we have, oh, rawr, another dinosaur. Are these all, oh, they're all dinosaurs. Okay. Purple, pink, and teal. I love pink. I love all of these colors. Obsessed. Okay. They're stretchy for sure. Ooh, yeah. It's got the little back end, little tail. I like this. Yeah. Okay. Okay. These aren't bad. I'm going to give these an 8.5. I actually really like these. They're like gummy bears, gummy worms. Put them on my massive oh, I've got other types of gummy worm things. I also have a massive pile of plastic. Oh, they gave me a lot of these. Oh, pink. Pink, pink, pink. Oh, wow. Okay. I'm making like noodle soup over here. Okay, these are definitely like gummy worms. I do like these. I like the colors. Got like neon yellow. What is that? Chartreuse? Blue, pink, purple, orange, and neon green. Okay. Very stretchy. See, now it's a shame that these weren't bracelets because I could wear this and just snap it, all day. Just. Would I have something like this at my desk though? No. Um, but they are fun. I don't think I need 5 of them though. But what are these? Oh, pop tubes, right? I know some of the lingo. I think that's all of them. Oh, okay. These are long. I wonder, do they twirly whirl? Yes. These used to be called, I think, like twirly whirls or something. Oh, I like that. And you could, when you expand them all the way, you spin them around in the air real fast, and it makes that noise. Okay. You can connect them all together. Oh, I like these. I'm going to give these a 10 out of 10. Definitely. They are obnoxious. They're small. Correct me if I'm wrong, but aren't they usually a lot bigger than... I mean, these are long, but I thought they were a lot bigger. And then again, you can twirl them. They make that UFO noise. Okay. Oh, Bella's going to be wanting to do some big trades. I can already see it. Oh, I see doubles. Who wants... All right. I do love the colors. I looked over in my bucket, and I saw that I had 2 balls. Fidget balls. But they gave me the same exact one. I do like these. Oh, no. Got it. Do they make really good ones that like, I'm just throwing them everywhere, that will just keep spinning like regular fidget spin? I'm gonna have to look that up. Not horrible, and it's tiny. We are getting down to the bottom of the bucket. Oh, okay. Sometimes I like these. I would actually keep these on my desk. Let's see. I thought I saw another one. Let's look real quick. Oh, they gave a couple different. We're just going to include these little puzzle balls too. Since they're all puzzly. I kind of wish that they had added keychains to these. They have the little loop there, but there's not. I have some though. Oh, there it is. Where'd it go? There. So it's got this tiny little metal ball, little maze. I do like these. You could get these in a Cracker Jack box all the time. Okay. Not too bad. I will give these 7.5. Because I'm not quite sure if you can get the ball out of the middle once it goes in. I wish it was a little bigger. So let's go ahead and put these off to the side. I do love those magnetic balls. And then let's take a look at one of these puzzle things. Not sure. How do you... I know... Yep, there we go. Okay, so the white piece is the one that holds it all together. Is there two? Okay. I don't think I'm going to be able to get this back together on camera, but... Let's take a look. Not sure. Nope. Now, I would definitely get this together later, though. I do love the puzzles. Is it just me? What? No. I should have looked at this before taking it apart. And I don't think... Nope, that's not right either. Oh, what did I do? Alright, it seems that I bit off a little bit more than I can chew. Oh. Did that go in together there? I did not look. Alright. We will come back to you, Puzzle Cube. And then there's the little sphere. Okay, what are these? Oh, no, I know it goes on there, but... Okay, so I got 2 of these. The colors are okay. I do like blue and orange. They were my school colors. It's kind of like a snake. I'm a snake. Little clickety clacks. What are these? I'm going to have to look these up. Most of these things you can piece together, right? No? Maybe. Yep. Okay. I don't really care for this. It's okay. I can't get it back apart. I stuck it together and I can't get it back apart. I'm going to give these a 6. A solid 6. Without being hooked together, it was kind of fun. Don't get me wrong. I don't think I would really fidget with this too much, but I don't know. I guess anything could be a bracelet, right? All right. Anxiety stress relief fidget toys. That's a little stressing though. You can't you put it together and then you can't take it back apart. Does it twist? Oh, you know what? Maybe. Maybe. I didn't realize that it contorts. You can ball it up. All right, that's not too bad. Getting down to the bottom of the bucket, guys. We all know the famous Rubiks Cube, even though I know this is not a Rubiks Cube. It's a puzzle cube, but these are fun. Now, I have tried to solve these before. I never realized there's actually like an algorithm to it that you can look at online. And you can learn how to solve it. I couldn't solve one of these. It's a little dirty. I couldn't solve one of these on my own. But I could sit here and twist this all day. This is a solid 10. Oh no! It is not a 10 out of 10. This, it just broke. Okay. Yeah, see, little cubes are coming off. So, oh no! I'm so disappointed. I was going to give this a 10 out of 10. You know what I give this now? The trash can. Okay. Now these are actually like the Rubik's snakes, but really tiny. And I'm wondering, is this going to fall apart too? I do like the red. I like the blue. I like the red better. So I will leave the blue in the package in case I want to do some trades later. Oh, I can already feel it's cheap. It's cheap. This is going to break. Now, these are another 10 out of 10 for me. However, this one's tiny. I guess I like the tiny version, don't get me wrong. But you can definitely tell this is going to break. You know, you can make a dog or a cat or whatever with these. Maybe not with this one. It just feels, so quality-wise, I would give this a 2. This definitely a 2. Fun, 10. But this bucket from Woo Store, 96 pieces, 2. Solid 2 on quality for that. Oh, now these I do have. I stole my daughter's. Oh, look, I knew I was going to find another little mini fidget. Whee! Okay. I love the Pea Poppers. Oh, that one's not so easy to pop. Oh, that one doesn't even want to come up. Peekaboo. Okay. Do they make these in different types? I could do this all day. This is a solid 9 out of 10 for me. It's not very smooth though. Like, and you can see like even the plastic quality of this one is probably a 3-4. The middle one pops up okay. It's not very smooth. The end one's a little bit harder. does hurt. It does hurt your fingers after a little bit, but I could definitely keep one of these on my keychain, which they did give, and I will give them that. This little solid chain. Okay. Not bad. I mean, for my first fidget toys, this isn't bad. What is this? Squishy ball? It's almost like a gumball machine. With Orbeez almost. Is that what? No, they're not Orbeez. It's like slimy little rubber balls. It's stretchy, and it's definitely not like filled to, like I can squeeze it and play with the little balls inside. I do kind of like this. Oh, look at how clear that gets. Boop. See, my only issue with these type of things is like they get dirty quick, I think. I think they tend to pick up a lot of dirt. But it does look like I do like that it looks like a gumball machine. That's what it reminds me of. Okay, this I like. I would definitely give this, I'm going to give this a 9 out of 10. I do like that it's not liquid filled. So you can like pinch and move the little balls around inside. I do like the colors. All right, not too bad. That one's not bad. Okay, what are these? It's like they only had green and yellow. They feel like little burrs. Little plants that get stuck to you. Almost done. Almost done. Are they bouncy? Whoa! Where'd it go? A little bouncy. Do they just... You know what? I do like that. It's actually almost quite massaging. What do you do with them? Throw them at people? Get a little slingshot? Fidgeting, this is probably, like if I had one like at my desk, I would probably do this all day. Because that does feel good. But for fun, 4 out of 10. Little spiky balls. Alright, let's see what these are, because I've been intrigued. I've seen these. Little rings, green. I think this is like an infinity ring or something, right? I can't open the bag! Oh, I do like that. Is the quality going to be good on this, though? Like, can you one-hand it? Is it like flipping a coin? Kinda. I think the quality on this, because I can already see the way that they're bending, I don't think the quality on this is very good. But it's metal, so it probably won't... Maybe I shouldn't say that. It's not going to break. But I do like this. I could sit here and play with this type of thing all day. My poor nail. I think I would give this a 7.5. 7.5 out of 10. Maybe an 8. Borderline. Um, is it one? If it was like one-handed and it, maybe if they were bigger. Are these smaller than usual size? Um, maybe I'm just not doing it right. I don't know. I do like them though. All right, let's do these little things, and then I've got some cute squishy things left. Okay, so these are little metal rings. Oh, I like that. Oh, I like that a lot. Okay. You know what? Because I could fidget with a ring all day. Sometimes if my ring's a little big, I will like spin them. Um, but yeah, I could definitely, that feels good too. Um, no, I like. I'm going to give these a solid 10 out of 10. These are, these are fun. I do like silver and gold. Christmas colors. All right, I've got some squishy little animals here. And grapes. All right, I won't open all of these up, but I got a frog. I've got grapes. Oh, a little baby seal. And a bunny. Oh, how cute. What is that? What is it? A hedgehog? Oh, it is a hedgehog. 2 hedgehogs. Okay. Let's take out the grapes. I just don't until I get my little organizer. I don't want them to get all dirty. Oh, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. I like these. Oh, I like the way that feels. That is so squishy. And it's not sticky or anything. Look at the wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Okay. I love those. 10 out of 10. I don't know what these are though. And this is the last bit from the bucket. And then I can put my whole pile back away. What is this? Oh, it's a sticky hand. I don't like these. I don't. I mean, they're fun to like stick. Don't get me wrong. Oh. Ha! They are fun to do that. What I don't like is how dirty they get. All right, let me take these rings off because they are cutting off the circulation. Do you like these? You know what? Durability, I'll give it. Typically, they would just, this whole thing would come off pulling on it. Flap. It's definitely got some stick. For me, it's a 3. It is definitely a 3 out of 10. Not my favorite. And I got 5 of them. So these are going to go into a trade bin, I think. I do like all of these little squishy animals. So I feel like this is a good start. I do. Did you have a favorite out of this whole bucket? Do you have any fidget toys to recommend? Because I am adding things to a wish list. on Amazon, so that way I know what to buy next. Not too bad, not too bad. Was it worth $49 for this bucket? I don't know. I feel like the quality of certain things, I probably could have bought some smaller sets, and maybe got better quality items on them. Very disappointed in the Rubiks Cubes. That was so flimsy. I think you can buy those at the Dollar Tree and they last longer. And this is actually pretty sharp, believe it or not, at the corners. So yeah, we'll have to see what I can find next to open. I would love to find some cool mystery boxes. Oh, don't roll away. I'm losing everything. I'm going to leave that grape out because I do like that. Some cool things. I'm not overly disappointed. I'm getting distracted just trying to clean it up. Oh, clean it all up and put it away. Ooh, that one had some suction. I don't care for these. These were very like felt. I mean, it's cute that you can like make them dance, like do 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 do. I wouldn't have a use for that like at my desk or anything. And if these were well made, these would be my favorite out of the whole bucket. So, all right. Thank you for watching. Feel free to leave some feedback on what to test next. I'm thinking about doing some slime. Might have to order some. I do. Oh, I like that. All right, guys. Until next time.